Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to assign the value of one variable to another variable. And so here they say, after a value is assigned to a variable using the assignment operator, you can assign the value of that variable to another variable using the assignment operator. So here we have a variable of my var, and we're setting my var equal to the integer of 5. And then we're saying we're initializing another variable called my num, and we're setting my num is equal to the value of my var. So my var is equal to 5, so my num becomes equal to my var. So the above declares my var variable with no value and assigns it a value of 5. Next, a variable named my num is declared with no value. Then the contents of my var, which is 5, is assigned to the variable my num. Now my num has the value of 5. So we want to assign the contents of A to variable B. So we want to assign the contents of A, because A's been set to be 7 here, and then we want to set to variable contents of A. So we want to set the contents of A, which is 7, to B. So the way that we do that, this is just the way that they've done it here. Here they've assigned the integer 7 to the variable of A. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to say B is equal to A. And we want to put a semicolon at the end because that's proper JavaScript pronunciation. Okay, cool. That's how you do this one. But let's think about it a little bit more deeply. So if we console.log B here, we're going to see that B is equal to undefined. So I'm actually going to make a little edge, like a little string here to describe it a little bit better. B initially. And then I'm going to put this down here. So now B is secondary maybe. Okay, so here you can see initially it's set to undefined, and then B is set to 7 here. So the way that the program works is it's coming down, initializing the variable of A, setting A equal to 7, and then we're initializing the variable B. So B is initially set to rendering out to undefined when we're using these console logs just to see what we're doing. And then after we come down, here we set B, the variable B, which has already been initialized, and we're setting it to A. But A is actually just equal to 7. And so once we get down here on our secondary revision, even though we're printing out B twice, B is printed out here and B is printed out here, our next time that we see it, B is equal to 7. And so that's how it works. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next lesson.